Please help me. God will help you. Help me. Please, I beg, help me. Come. But you people, they wicked. Among all the money waiting for your hand, as you dress rich like this, now only 10 naira you fit to give me. Say you good like that?
How did you know it's 10 naira?
Why I don't go know? Nobody here I hope for hand like that.
You're a thief. Give my money.
Hey!
You're a thief.
Come and go. You talk to thief.
Go.
See, you're a man like you. See him.
You're a thief.
Hey! This man don't see me.
Look at this old man, still begging at this age. He must be a very wicked man for his children not to be able to help him. Hi.
Come. Hey! The thing will pass your papa mouth, now you dey talk so.